In the annals of human history, the art of aromatherapy emerges as a timeless tradition, a fragrant tapestry woven through the ages, blending ancient wisdom with modern science. From the lush gardens of ancient civilizations to the bustling apothecaries of medieval Europe, aromatic essences have captivated the senses and soothed the soul. It is said that the origins of aromatherapy can be traced back to ancient Egypt, where aromatic oils were prized for their healing properties and used in religious ceremonies and embalming practices. The Egyptians believed that inhaling the scents of aromatic plants could invoke divine energies and bring balance to the body, mind, and spirit. As the centuries passed, the art of aromatherapy spread across continents, weaving its way into the fabric of diverse cultures and traditions. In ancient Greece, renowned physicians such as Hippocrates and Galen prescribed aromatic oils for their therapeutic benefits, recognizing their ability to ease ailments and promote well-being. During the Middle Ages, the aromatic allure of spices and botanicals fueled a flourishing trade along the Silk Road, as merchants traversed vast distances to procure exotic essences from distant lands. In Europe, aromatic herbs were distilled into potent elixirs and tinctures, prized for their medicinal virtues and used to treat everything from infections to melancholy. Fast forward to the present day, and the art of aromatherapy continues to flourish, fueled by a growing body of scientific research and a renewed interest in natural healing modalities. Today, aromatic essences are extracted from a wide array of plants, flowers, and herbs, each possessing its own unique fragrance and therapeutic properties. From the soothing scent of lavender to the invigorating aroma of peppermint, essential oils are used in a myriad of ways to promote health and well-being. Inhaling the scent of essential oils can stimulate the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for emotions and memories, triggering profound physiological responses that promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance mood. But the benefits of aromatherapy extend far beyond mere relaxation. Studies have shown that certain essential oils possess antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties, making them valuable allies in the fight against illness and disease. From relieving headaches to easing muscle tension, aromatherapy offers a holistic approach to health and healing that addresses the body, mind, and spirit. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and anxiety abound, the allure of aromatherapy remains as potent as ever. Whether diffused in the air, applied topically, or added to bathwater, aromatic essences offer a fragrant sanctuary, a gentle reminder to pause, breathe deeply, and reconnect with the natural world. And so, the story of aromatherapy continues to unfold, a timeless tale of fragrant treasures and healing wonders, a testament to the enduring power of nature's most aromatic gifts.